My team at Omicron and I have been working on a wide range of different technologies, from helping grow food, to new ways of generating power with solar and wind, to new ways of storing energy, to ways of recycling plastic, steel, and aluminum, so as to recover all these valuable materials that have been often going to landfill or being wasted. And in doing so, what we're starting to see is that everything in the world is connected. Help recycle and conserve wherever possible. If you've got something that is a little bit chipped or damaged, but it's still good, think twice about just throwing it out. If you've got a light on, think about putting a light bulb in of a lower wattage. Do you really need a 40-watt bulb, or do you need a 20-watt bulb equivalent? Do you need a 8-watt or 10-watt LED, or do you just need a 1 or 2-watt LED? All of these little things add up in a big, meaningful way. In fact, ironically, even what we eat and drink every day matters. I've lost about 30 pounds, and I've got to lose another 30, which is pretty obvious. But in losing that 30 pounds, I now need about 300 calories a day less food. 300 calories a day. You say, okay, so how does that matter? Well, if you take that times a year, that's enough to feed another person for about 2 months. It's all these little things, these changes in lifestyle. If you drive 100 kilometers an hour instead of 120, we can save 10 or 15% on our fuel, and we can cut our carbon emissions by 10 or 15% when we travel. Whether it be conserving some energy from the lights we turn off when we don't need them, or if we do need them, can we use a bit smaller bulb? Whether it comes to, hey, you walk past a piece of plastic on the road, whether it be a bottle or a tin can or an aluminum can, if you're prepared to walk by it, so is everyone else. Grab it, get it into the recycling. Together, we can all make a huge difference. All these little things are up to you and me to change. It's not up to government to try and legislate a change or scientists to come up with a magical solution. The real solution is that we all can work together to help resolve issues with climate change while still maintaining a good lifestyle for ourselves, our children, and all future generations.